Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded anything in a while, but we're going to hop right back into it. And today I'm going to show you how to scale something to a reference point. So say for example, I want to scale something that I brought in from a different drawing that's a little bit bigger, and I want to scale it down to fit a specific point or area, like a door frame. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, so let's get into it. Alright, so for simplicity's sake, I have a box right here. This box is going to represent a small retail store, we'll say a little piece of commercial property, and these are the walls. So the walls are going to be 10 inches thick, and as you can see, there's no door to get in or out. So we're going to add a door in here. And I actually have a door plan drawing pulled up right here in another tab, and I got this online. But basically what we're going to do is we want to add a double door into this area. So we're going to take this double door right here. We're going to come to the clipboard. We're going to copy it. We're going to move it over here. And we're going to paste it from the clipboard. Now as you can see, the double door is 2 to 3 times the size of the office space or commercial space itself. So we want to be able to get this door, and we want to be able to place it like right in this area. It doesn't really matter too much, but we want to make sure it fits within this 10 inches of wall space. So to do that, we're going to come up here to the Modify box under the Home tab, and we're going to use the Scale function. So we're going to click on Scale. We're going to select the block right here. We're going to click the Enter button. And then we want this area from here to here to be 10 inches. So it's asking us to specify our base point. We're going to specify the base point here. This doesn't matter too much. What happens next is important. So we're going to specify the base point. Then we're going to come down here and click the reference button, or you can just type in R, whatever you want to do. And now it's asking us to specify the reference length. So once we've clicked the reference button, or typed in R or typed in reference, we're going to click here for the reference length, the first point. And then it's going to ask us to specify a second point. We're going to click here. And then if you see at the bottom in the control bar down here, you'll see it's asking us to specify the new length. So we're going to come in here. We're going to type in 10 inches. And we're going to click Enter. As you can see, it dropped that down, this piece right here, to 10 inches. Let's dimension it just to make sure. Yep, 10 inches exactly. And now we can actually take this and we can move it. So we're going to move it over here, and we'll just say the entrance is right here. And as you can see, that block portion fits perfectly in, and you have just added 2 doors to your small little retail commercial space that you have. Alright, so I know this video is a little bit short, but hopefully it gave you an idea of what the scale function can actually be used for, specifically if you're pulling another CAD block in from a different drawing and trying to use it in your current drawing. So hopefully this helped. Like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification button on, and I hope everyone has a good rest of their day.